I find it hard to tell you, I find it hard to take. When people run in circles, it's a very, very mad world. Mad world.
Hi. There's Casper, Marley, and Shadows, the mother. A few of you were asking about the coconut trees that Richie's family planted when they first moved in. And here's a few. There's one there, there, there. I think there's more over there. So they're coming in pretty nicely.
Hello guys.
Alright, hey guys, so we got here a little later because it was raining this morning, but the good thing about working inside now with the roof is they can work in the rain now. So they got the inside pretty much almost done. They're working on this now, which is nice. They're making the corners look really good. That looks really good. We got the nail and the nylon there coming down. Very good. So this is how they're leveling everything. They have a nail up there with the nylon connected to the nail down here. And then they hung this up there to where it was straight and level, like this. And then they connected it down there. And next they're going to measure that from there to there, so it's the same as up there. So Sebring's doing the same thing over here. Just nailed it up there, connected the nylon, and he'll connect it down there. Here's the one Sebring just finished over here. The nail is there, all the way up. All right, so we just ordered 15 more bags of cement, and here's the receipt for that. 15 bags is $3,375.
100 kilos you put in your head.
All right, so we ordered some more cement. Today they should finish the inside. And then once they're done with the inside, they will start on the outside finishing. You missed it. JR was just singing.
Just enter choir.
Miss Philippines?
No, Mister. All our teammates. You're a team leader of our choir.
Oh, pwede na.
She said that. All right.
All right.
She's the leader of our choir.
He's like the conductor. He can hold the stick and.
And if you mistake, just follow your
You go.
feet. Oh. You mistake. Kung masayog ka, bunalan mong lubot. But that part is hard to work.
Yeah, it
because
is.
It's small and you put your weapon small sand and cement.
Yeah.
No, like that. This you put the cement in your weapon big,
Yeah.
but that part is
It takes more time. It's like
yes, take more time and
small amount and
Amount
yeah,
of,
getting it perfect.
yes.
But the outcome is gonna look nice.
If you put big in here weapon, all damage. Fabric, English, you're the next.
Alright guys, so I'm inside right now. They are finished with the finishing inside. That turned out really good. In the corners. Nice. So now it's starting to feel more like a home. My favorite part is the floors. So after they do the outside finishing, they start doing the floors. Well, they're starting on the outside. What's up, bro?
Go.
Bro! Rain or shine! Bro! Rain or shine! All right, the workers just left. I'm just gonna take one walk around real quick. And that looks so good. What do you think, Jason? Pretty good so far? I'm loving that. And then the inside is pretty much done. All right, so tomorrow they'll probably finish here and then start working around. And then in a few more days, they'll start on the floor, and that's my favorite part. All right, brother.
Yes.
See you tomorrow, man.
Yes, yo.
All right.
Thank you, thank you.
No problem. See you guys later. Bye, guys.
Went to school